Imagine standing in a field of flowers. To you, it's colorful, reds, yellows, blues. But to a bee, that same field looks completely different. Hidden patterns glow on every flower. Patterns that humans literally cannot see. There are colors all around us right now that are completely invisible to the human eye. But many animals can see them. Today, we're exploring the hidden colors of the world. The limits of human vision. Humans see color using special cells in our eyes called cones. We have 3 types of cones which detect red light, green light, blue light. These combine to create every color we experience. But this range is actually very small. We can only see wavelengths between about 380 and 700 nanometers. Everything outside that range is completely invisible to us. But animals evolved eyes that detect different parts of the spectrum, which means they experience a completely different visual world. Ultraviolet, the hidden patterns. One of the biggest colors humans cannot see is ultraviolet light. It's just beyond the violet end of the spectrum. Many animals can see ultraviolet. One of the most famous examples is bees. To human eyes, a sunflower looks like a simple yellow disk. But under ultraviolet light, flowers reveal glowing landing patterns. These patterns guide bees directly to the nectar. It's like runway lights for insects. Plants evolve these patterns specifically to attract pollinators. So while we see a plain flower, bees see a target with instructions. Birds see more colors than humans. Birds experience an even more colorful world. Most birds have 4 types of cones instead of 3. That means they can see ultraviolet colors in addition to red, green, and blue. This type of vision is called tetrachromatic vision. It allows birds to detect subtle color differences that humans cannot even imagine. For example, some birds that look identical to us actually have completely different feather patterns in ultraviolet light. To birds, these patterns help identify mates and rivals. So, 2 birds that look the same to us may look completely different to each other. Reindeer and Arctic ultraviolet vision. Reindeer have a very unusual ability. They can see ultraviolet light in the snowy Arctic. In the Arctic winter, the sun stays low in the sky. This creates a lot of ultraviolet reflection from the snow. Reindeer eyes evolved to detect it. This helps them spot things that would normally blend into the snow. For example, lichen, their main food source, absorbs ultraviolet light. So, against the bright UV-reflecting snow, lichen appears dark and easy to find. Even wolf fur becomes more visible in ultraviolet. For reindeer, this hidden color helps them survive in extreme conditions. Snakes that see heat. Some animals detect something even stranger than ultraviolet. They can see infrared. Infrared is beyond the red end of the spectrum and is associated with heat. Pit vipers, boas, and pythons have special organs that detect infrared radiation. This allows them to sense the body heat of prey. In darkness, when vision is useless, a warm mouse glows like a bright target. It's almost like thermal vision. Scientists believe snakes combine this heat signal with normal vision to create a detailed mental map of their surroundings. Mantis shrimp, the ultimate color vision. If there is a champion of color vision, it's the mantis shrimp. These small ocean predators have the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom. Humans have 3 color receptors. Birds have 4. But mantis shrimp have up to 16 different photoreceptors. They can detect ultraviolet, visible light, polarized light, and possibly colors we don't even have names for. Ironically, scientists discovered something surprising. Despite having more receptors, mantis shrimp might not process color the way humans do. Instead of blending colors like our brains do, their eyes may instantly categorize colors, meaning they can recognize colors extremely fast, which is useful when hunting prey on coral reefs. The invisible signals animals use. Because animals see different colors, they also communicate using colors we cannot detect. For example, many birds have ultraviolet markings on their feathers. Butterflies often have UV patterns on their wings. Even some mammals reflect ultraviolet light in their fur. These signals are completely hidden from human eyes. So when we observe animals, we may be missing half the message. The animal world is full of visual signals happening in colors we can't perceive. The hidden world around us. Right now, there may be colors bouncing off objects around you that your brain simply cannot process. Your eyes filter them out. But to other animals, those colors are bright and obvious. The world we see is only one version of reality. Bees see ultraviolet highways on flowers. Birds see secret patterns on feathers. Snakes see glowing heat in the dark. And mantis shrimp may see colors beyond human imagination. The truth is, the world isn't limited by what we can see, only by what our eyes allow. There may be entire layers of reality that exist all around us, completely invisible